How to schedule recurring emails in Gmail. Gmail doesn't have a built-in feature for scheduling recurring emails, but you can still make it work with some extra steps. First, you can schedule a single email by composing your message, clicking the arrow next to the send button, and selecting schedule send, then choosing a date and time. However, this only sends it once. To set up recurring emails, you need to use third-party tools or extensions, such as Google Workspace add-ons, like Boomerang for Gmail or Gmail use, which let you create repeating schedules. With these tools, you can choose how often your email should repeat, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Once set up, the extension will automatically send your email at the chosen times without you needing to reschedule manually. This is especially useful for reminders, reports, or updates you need to send regularly. Always make sure to install trusted extensions and check their permissions to keep your accounts secure. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.